ask you something first. What did you do yesterday? Just think for a second. Maybe you watched something, maybe you went out, or maybe you just rested. When we talk about things that already happened, we use simple past tense. That's it. Nothing complicated. Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Swati. What is simple past tense? So basically, whenever we talk about the past, like yesterday, last night, last week, we use simple past tense. For example, I can say, I watched a movie yesterday. I slept late last night. These actions are finished. They are not happening now. That's why we use simple past tense. Now let's see how to make a sentence. It's very simple. You just take the subject like I, you, we, they, he, she, and then you use the past form of the verb like watched, played, went, ate, plus rest of the sentence. For example, I played cricket. We went to school. They watched TV. No extra words, just subject and past verb. Now you might notice something. Some verbs end with ed, like played, watched, worked. These are regular verbs. But some verbs change completely, like go becomes went, eat becomes ate. These are irregular verbs. Don't try to remember everything today. With practice, this will become natural. Now sometimes we want to say no. For that, we use did not. For example, I did not go to the office yesterday. I did not watch TV last night. And for everyone, like he, she, they, it's the same. And one very important thing to remember, after did not, we always use the base form of verb like play, watch, go. In daily life conversations, we ask questions all the time. So for past tense questions, we use did. For example, did you go out yesterday? Did he call you? Did she finish the work? Here are some short answers you can use. Yes, I did, or no, I did not. Now pause the video for a few seconds and try this. Write your answers in the comments. So today we talked about simple past tense in a very simple and natural way. Just think about your yesterday and start speaking. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to English with Swati. I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep smiling.